हाजी भाई किसी गोरे से बात करनी है?
कर लेते हैं।
ये हजरत आ जाते हैं क्रिश्चियनिटी की तबलीग करने के लिए, तो इनसे देख लेते हैं, 2 मिनट बात करेंगे, अगर करनी हुई तो ठीक है, वरना फिर आगे चले जाएंगे। हाय
2 मिनट मुंह टेढ़ा
हाय, हाउ आर
करना।
यू? हेलो वेस्ली, हेलो। या
Hi.
कैन यू स्पीक उर्दू? आती है?
I cannot do so on TV. Jesus will not allow me to speak foreign languages on TV. Person to
Why
person,
Jesus wouldn't allow you to speak foreign languages?
I don't question him about such thing. It's his decision. It's his
What,
choice. And I
what
believe
language did Jesus speak?
every language
Because you're
known to
already
mankind.
speaking a foreign language according to Jesus. Jesus did not speak English. Jesus was
Look,
not a white guy. He was a brown man.
Look, there's a light above my head. Shine upon all the hands on earth right now.
No,
Yesterday,
but
I
I
shone
am
that
asking
light
you,
for
what
24
language
hours.
did Jesus speak?
Look, kid,
What language did
your
Jesus
head
speak?
inside is those dead ashes. You're a lunatic. You say you don't see
Okay.
the angels, and they're right there.
Okay. So
Come
I am a
on.
lunatic.
You're kidding only
And you
yourself.
are the one who is
See
saying
those
that
ashes
you
on your
speak
hands?
Jesus' language.
You get those
My God.
ashes from praying to the frog Allah. Plain
I
on
don't
your
pray
table,
to
kid.
the frog. My God. Are you thinking I am a Muslim? No, I am not a Muslim.
We're not Muslims,
You
sir.
don't pray to Jesus. Every sin you do
I don't pray to Jesus.
accumulates
I
in
don't
your
pray to
soul
Muhammad.
like
I
dead
don't pray
ashes.
to any fake gods. You know, I don't pray to anyone. Every
Stuff that
god and
doesn't
every religion is
fine.
just a lie.
Fine.
Yeah.
You're going to be
Let me
offered
tell you one thing.
Ghalib,
Wesley,
एक
Wesley,
second. Ghalib,
listen to me.
one moment.
$32,000 to be
What?
branded with an omnibar. You're going to be offered $32,000 to be branded with a barcode called Omni, and they're going to sell
Okay.
you tuna salad, and it's not tuna.
Okay.
May I
And you know
ask you
what it is.
one? May
So
I
get
ask
one
you
of
one
those.
question, please? No, may I ask you
go
one
get
question?
go get. Can I hold the Omni electric laser beam to your forehead and brand your head with it?
May I
Please?
ask you one
May I do
question,
that?
please? May I
I
ask
want
you
you to
one
get one.
question?
I
May
want
I
you to
ask you
get
one
an Omni.
question? May I ask you
आसिफ
one
भाई, ये
question?
आपकी सुनेगा नहीं,
Will you
ये अपनी
May I
अपनी
ask you one question? May
continue
I ask
continue
you
your
one
silly little
question?
boyhood?
May I
Your
ask
silly
you one
boyhood.
question?
I'm gonna
May I ask you one question?
and get
May
an
I ask you
Omni.
one question?
ठहर
May I
जाए,
ask
ये
you?
नहीं करेगा। आसिफ भाई
You
ठहर जाए, ये पागल है, ये नहीं करेगा।
so get an
You know,
Omnibar. So what?
yeah, no. You know, one thing, let me tell you. I am from Pakistan. I was a Christian, and I am not a Christian anymore. I'm an atheist. I don't believe in your stupid religion anymore. Okay? So your stupid things, whatever are written in your Bible, you know, they don't make any kind of sense. I asked you one thing and you did not even know that. That was, Jesus was not a white man. Jesus was more brown like me. He was not like you. He was maybe more like me, not like you. He did not speak English. He did not speak Greek or Latin. He spoke Aramaic. You know, the language that I speak, it has words that are Aramaic. You know, I speak Urdu, I speak Punjabi, and the languages of my country are much more similar to the original language that Jesus spoke. So, my friend, it's a glass shattering moment for you. You don't know anything. Jesus did
Well,
not
by
speak
the
your
power of
language.
Jesus,
He did not.
the word of
He did not
Allah,
speak your language. You white people, you know, you especially the
Master Chief Allah.
evangelical types that you are, you kind of feel that you have a ticket to heaven. You don't have anything. You are as
Master
stupid
Chief
as
Allah.
a Muslim mullah, you know, and the kind of names that you are coming and calling here, that shows that how stupid you are, my friend. This is totally
Yeah, you're my
stupid. Whatever you are
crystal.
saying.
You're an Allah.
Yeah.
Gnash your teeth now, Allah. Gnash
I
them.
don't
You're going to gnash your
don't
teeth whether you want
believe
to or
in
not,
any
because
kind
I
of
just
stupid
commanded you.
gods, though it be Allah or it be
I
God or
just
Jesus. No.
commanded you to gnash your teeth, and you did, because Jesus is God.
I just gnashed your teeth because I muted you, you stupid old man. You don't
You have
understand
a
anything.
voice.
What kind of stupid guy you are?
You have
You are
a
totally
voice.
stupid. No, this kind of judgment day evangelism does not work on me. You're just proving yourself to be a fool. That's all. It doesn't work like this here.
So Jesus is God.
Yeah.
That is what you think? You think that Jesus is God?
Jesus
Let's
gave
talk.
me the authority to say to you, gnash your teeth, Allah, and you shall gnash your
So
teeth.
I again gnashed your teeth. I am saying gnash your teeth, and now your teeth are gnashed because I just shut you up here. You don't even know how to talk, You cannot
I mean,
engage in dialogue. You think that giving these threats that you're going to hell are going to solve anything? They don't. They just prove that you're stupid. That's
I'm gonna
all.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna have a lot of fun in a hell.
Yeah.
Do you know that? I mean, I'll be burning, I'll be cooking my food by myself, I'll be with all like people. I mean, where I will not see you kind of people at all. So I think I'll be much better in hell than in heaven.
And you are an awful person. You are an awful person because you came
Ga-
here, we welcomed you, but you started to insult us. You are an awful
Ghalib,
person.
मैं एक सवाल पूछता
Yeah.
हूँ. May I ask you
Yeah.
one
You have
question?
a toy. You have a
What language?
YouTube toy TV. You're used
What
a
a
little
stupid guy
boy's
you are.
toy. And you act as
I
though
think
it
you are.
makes you some kind of all
I think
authority
you are.
God, who you determine
I
when
think
somebody can
you
speak
are.
and you determine when somebody cannot speak. You have a
I
toy
think.
and you're playing with a
I
little
think you
toy
are.
little boy.
I think you are on a wrong medicine, sir. You gotta go check with the doctor and see. I mean, what else they could prescribe you to calm you down.
If anything is left of your brain or anything is over there, then get it treated. And may I ask you one question? What sort of language did Jesus speak? What language did he speak?
He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
I don't even know your name. Introduce yourself, please, before we
My
start
name
this
is
thing.
Father
You don't
of
have to
my
tell me
We,
who
name
you are.
my
You're an Allah.
my name is Father
I
of
don't
God.
worship you, Allah.
My name is Father of God.
Yeah. Okay. Well, bite your tongue,
Okay,
Father of God.
let me explain you one thing. We do not believe on any kind of deity. Okay, we don't believe there is a God, Allah,
How's your
or
tongue now, Father of God?
any stupid
I'm
guy
going to
sitting up on
fall
top of you
Islam,
and and
Father
and
of God.
and I
And
mean, can
Jesus
you
is going to say, I do not know you to all of you who take the Omni. So go get an Omni mark and get your 32,000 and eat that king of fish. You're not going to like hell.
यार
You're
बस
not
कर
going to
इसको.
like it
He's just
one bit.
stupid guy. He's just Donald Trump supporter.
no,
He Trump supporter.
Asif bhai, I want to show it to our audience that Christians can be equally stupid as Muslims or Hindus, and this guy is proving this
And
thing. Yeah,
Christians
that's why
living in
I'm not,
America,
I'm
not
not kicking
anywhere
him out
else.
because I want to. I want to show it to our audience that Christians are equally stupid and they're equally dogmatic. They are equally vengeful because this guy, we have nothing against him. He doesn't even understand our language and he's coming and try to throw this shit on us because
A
he's
voice
so
went
full
into
of
your
hate.
head.
You are full of so much
A
hate.
voice went into your head saying, I will turn into violently like a ball. That voice was Satan. That date was
Okay.
October 10, 2005. You're speaking from that same voice now. So
All
Oh
right.
my god.
Okay. Thank you very much.
He's a total
Bye
crackpot.
bye.
He's a total crackpot.
I
My
think
god.
you didn't smoke
except that
something
it
good
happened to
today. Yeah.
everybody,
You need to
and
change your
everybody
You
supply,
just
you
jumped
mate.
on
are
the
a
cake.
total
You need to
crackpot,
change your
my
supply,
friend.
mate. You need to get some good stuff. You're not smoking the right
You're
stuff.
not smoking the right stuff, my friend.
Mate, you need to get some better supplier. Honestly, you need to get a better
Yeah,
supplier.
You need to get a better dealer, my friend.
Well,
yeah.
I shut the
Your
business
dope
to
is
you
wrong.
because
You don't have the right dope, my friend.
yesterday Jesus gave me to open the
What were
business
you
to you, and I
smoking when
opened it
I
for
Jesus
1 day.
came? What were you
It
smoking
shut
when
I
Jesus
down.
will
came?
So
I
in
will
your
shove your
mocking
Jesus
me,
up your bigger intestine, all right? I will shove your Jesus up your large intestine and take it back over there,
in
right?
your representing of the Pakistani way and your scorn and your mocking and your hate, you're not going to feel all Christmassy inside about it
I am
because I
feeling
shut you
awesome.
off.
I'm feeling awesome putting
We are
Jesus
feeling
through your.
awesome.
We're feeling awesome,
I
mate.
am given to open or shut you as I so choose.
Thank you very much.
All right, shut him off
Oh, have a
now.
look at your hands again.
Okay,
Let's
Look at your hands
Abla
once
okay,
again.
Ghalib,
okay,
let's
okay,
see.
Wesley. Wesley,
Let's
you know,
see,
you
let's
are
see the
as
stars.
stupid as they come. You still live in a time that was 2000 years ago, and I think you are smoking the same shit that
He's
maybe
left.
the guys you follow are smoking. तो भैया ये देखें, ये क्यों इस बंदे को मैंने पहले ही निकाल देना था। ये आता है पहले भी कई बार, और इससे बात जब भी होती है ये इस तरह ही करता है। मैं क्यों ऐसे करता हूं कि हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्त ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनको ये लगता है कि यार सिर्फ मुसलमान ही जो है ना वही पागल हैं, और जी हिंदू बड़े अच्छे हैं, क्रिश्चियन बड़े अच्छे हैं। इसलिए इसके साथ मैंने बात की है कि ताकि आपको ये पता लगे कि ये डॉगमा एक जैसा ही होता है, ये सारे एक जैसे पागल होते हैं। देखें वो आते हैं हमें गालियां देने लगे, यार उस गधे को ना हमारी जुबान समझ आ रही है, ना उसे पता है कि हम क्या बात करें, वो आगे अल्लाह को गालियां दे रहा है। वो समझ रहा है कि हम इधर मुसलमान बैठे इस्लाम की तबलीग कर रहे हैं। माय गॉड, इतना स्टूपिड आदमी। और देखें ये तकरीबन को 70-80 साल का आदमी है। तो ये देखें कि मजहब जितना बंदे को पागल बनाता है ना, वो बंदा बूढ़ा होके मरने वाला भी हो जाए ना तो वो नहीं ठीक हो सकता। ठीक है,
और वो अमेरिका जैसे सिविलाइज
हाँ।
कंट्री में रह के भी, फ्री वर्ल्ड में रह के भी वो इस तरह के
नहीं,
जुतियापे का शिकार होता
कासिम
है।
भाई बहुत पागल हैं, छोड़े आप एवेंजेलिकल्स की तो बात ही आप छोड़ दें। एवेंजेलिकल तो आपको पता नहीं है, मेरा तो इनसे बड़े अरसे से बाहर आया है ना, मुझे तो पता है जितना ये पागल है।
Mine too. Evangelicals are just, I mean, वो हैं, क्या कहते हैं उसको, अपने वो वाबी नहीं है जो कट्टर
वाबी
वाला।
वाबी ने
बाइबल कच्छे मार के पकड़े रहते हैं, चलते रहते हैं और अब बेवकूफियां लोगों को बताते रहते हैं। लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। इसके साथ साथ आप मेरे चैनल को पेट्रियन पर सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं। पेट्रियन का लिंक वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में है।